So long story short, before you watch my video, if you have this error code trying to install Windows Update and you get a screen similar to like this, but with that error code instead, 892,004, what worked for me was installing these two updates. 447442027 and wait, no, it was installing these two updates. So after installing those two updates, I was able to install my updates. So that's the long short story. You could give it a try or you won't. It worked for me. I don't know if it'll work for you, so your individual results may vary. So originally I saw the error 892,004 and I have a Windows 7 64-bit machine. Googled it. First entry was this one. Clicked on it and it took me to this thread. Actually, this thread. And the great thing is someone posted volume Z, these two links. Click the first link, which describes the problem. Click the second link over here. Took me to this Born's Tech Windows world. And he actually has the solution for me. Hopefully it works for you. Which is installing these two updates. And he mentions how Symantec or some antivirus program, Norton, could modify the signing of these download updates. The one that worked for me was the second one, I think, because I already had the first one installed, but installing both of these can fix the problem, or did for me. Today I'm trying to install some updates, but I'm getting error code 800-92004. And it's for this update, as well as other updates over here. So this update is a .NET update, KB4535102. So reading online took me to over here. It suggested two following workarounds: updating KB4474419 and then also installing update KB4490628. So I'm going to give that a try, see if it fixes the problem, and then call it a night. It's very annoying. So all I did was Google those two updates, and it takes me to catalog.update.microsoft.com, which is a Microsoft.com website. Highlighted the version of Windows 7 I have, which is 64-bit Windows 74. If you're using a 32-bit version, you'll need this one. Which one is it? This one instead. Anyways, so I found the two updates and I'm going to install it. Let's see how it goes. Download and then run it. Over here, download and run it. Clicked here. Here's the download, running it. It's already installed. Let's go to the second update. Clicking on it. That it wasn't installed. So hopefully after installing and then restarting my machine, fixes my problem. Gonna go ahead and restart. Let's see how it goes. Just rebooted my machine. Selected the security.net update that I was trying to install before. I'm going to click OK and install updates. Usually it'll stop after a minute, but let's see how far this one goes now. Like I said, usually it stops after a minute, so hopefully it was just this bug over here. I didn't have Semantic installed. I had AVG Free Edition, but let's see if it fixes the problem. The good thing is it didn't fail instantly, so maybe it is trying to download now. Come back when I get the results. To my surprise, it installed. So that was the issue. I'm going to be restarting my machine now and trying to install the other 3 updates. Hopefully it works. And so this is what worked for me. Not sure if it's going to work for you. Good luck. I'll post the links to the website that I found the solution, as well as the 2 updates that you can click on, all in the description. So I'm going to finally install the last 3 updates. Here's the 3 updates that were failing. 4493132, 4516065, and 3140245. Click OK. Let's try installing. Hopefully it works. So I was able to install most of the updates that were giving the error, but this is a totally different error. This is 800B0100, so I have to research that. That's for another day.